Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to learn 10 wild animals vocabulary in English. In this, you can learn the spellings and you can identify the pictures. Okay, let's start. This is lion. L I O N lion. Lion lion. This is tiger. T I tiger. 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 This animal is bear. 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 Next, this is elephant. Elephant. Phant. Phant. Elephant. 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 This is panda. Pan. Da. Panda. Panda. This is kangaroo. Kan. Ru. Ru. Kangaroo. Next, this one is dinosaur. No. Dinosaur. Dino. Dino. Sir. Dinosaur. This is fox. 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 This is rhinoceros. Rhino. Rhino. Cirrus. Ros. Cirrus. Rhino. Cirrus. Rhinoceros. Last one is chimpanzee. Chim. Pan. G means Zee. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Your subscription is very important to me. Thanks for watching.